from founder of Griffin College London. My name is Padma Rahulan.
As the year comes to an end, I want to express my sincere thanks and appreciation for all you have contributed to Griffin in 2021. I am extremely grateful to have the opportunity to support country coordinators, faculties, teachers, parents, students and Griffin team this year. Year 2021 is a very memorable year for everyone. Many of us had COVID vaccine from March 2021. Technology played a very crucial part to keep us entertaining, communicating, virtual classes, exams and many more kept us going. Over the past 12 months, we also achieved some significant milestones in enhancing students' experience through improving quality and standards of the qualifications, which is evident through your positive feedback. At Griffin College, we had many activities through online and face-to-face seminars. From March, we have reached out to many senior artists around the globe. We have also appointed Global Operations Officer, Chief Examiners, Country Coordinators, Faculties, District Coordinators. In June, we were able to conduct face-to-face practical exams and followed with National Conference UK examiners discussions and many questions and answers sessions with parents and teachers were answered. We have launched our performing arts qualifications at Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, Cambodia, Japan, Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, Muscat, Dubai, Germany, France, Denmark, Norway, Italy, Canada, USA, South Africa, Brazil. We signed an MOU with Alagappa University to conduct diploma and degree courses in Bharatanatyam, vocal and instruments degree programs across worldwide. Our first batch of students will enroll during January 2022. During October, we have conducted first ever Griffin's Global Achievement Award ceremony at UK by honoring eminent awardees of Carnatic music, Indian classical dance and Carnatic instrumental professionals, those who serve these arts with distinction or set up to title holder. We celebrated the talented, inspiring and skilled professional artists and the event was hugely appreciated by senior artists, parents and well-wishers. Participants travelled from various countries to support and perform. We also conducted diploma graduation ceremony and honoured distinction candidates from grade 1 to grade 8. In November, we had examiners training, discussions and country coordinators meeting for the following countries: India, Switzerland, Australia, USA, Canada, Europe, UK and Malaysia. We have launched an Art Trade program, Diploma in Performance, which is similar to the Arangetram, where the students will be given an opportunity to perform 1 hour performance along with the accompaniments. It will be assessed and the prestigious title will be given. Our first archery program will be held during January 2022. Board of Directors attended our partner organization RSL's 30 years celebration. From December till end of January, we are conducting remotely assessed exams at UK, France, Switzerland, Germany, Norway, USA and Canada. Once again, we opened a virtual Margare Utsavam for entries. The celebration started on December 15, 2021, which will end on January 14, 2022, where the performers are performing across the globe. We are very pleased with the support and cooperation received from coordinators, teachers, examiners, parents, students, awarding body and well-wisher. This journey will be an ongoing one and we too listing from your valuable feedback, experience to make Griffin College a progressive organization which can add more value to academic and dynamic development towards fine arts and language. Year 2022 will be a more exciting one and watch this space for more development evolve. Griffin is committed to supporting new ideas and initiatives and to spearheading efforts to improve your learning experience.
On behalf of Griffin team and board, I would like to wish you all a happy and prosperous new year. Best wishes and greetings from Padma Rahulan. Thank you.